car in my favorite muffler shop. I'm gonna get the muffler delete today. It's just gonna sound nice. It's gonna sound mean. Alright. I'm on the Hellcat to the car wash today. It's a little bit clean, but it's gonna sound good with that big blower whine and the big sound. So that's stock right now. It's good, but it's quiet. We'll see how loud it's gonna get. So this place did all my cars. Campus right there. So my Scat Pack, my Jeep SRT, and now this. Alright. Sounds good. Days ago I just bought this thing. I'm already doing crazy stuff to it. Yeah. Alright, just a little documentation down here. Alright, removing this mid muffler. It's gonna sound nice. Alright, I'll sit in the office, guys. Okay. Video. Oh man, this work is impeccable. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna wait for it to start up. Mid mufflers are done. Super excited. Let's hear them. Might get demonetized for this music, but it's gonna be worth it. It's right there. Yeah, and give me a couple revs, man. Sounds and sound. Perfect. I love it. Oh, you heard that, guys. That's how it should sound from the factory. Oh my word. That is loud.
You want the old muffler?
Yeah, just put it in the trunk. Just in case the wife doesn't approve. I'll pretend I put it back. It sounds perfect. Alrighty, mid muffler has been deleted. Took about 30 minutes, 150 bucks. Probably the cheapest mod you can do for this Hellcat. So let the Peoria police over there get over the stoplight. I'll give you guys a couple revs and take off. Alright, you guys are ready. Here's a couple revs. See what kind of explosion we're gonna get with paddle shifting this thing. Sound like that for a factory. worked on that place is the Bomb Campos. I'll put the description of the store and information below. Great work. The weld was really good, and man, just very affordable. 150 bucks to make the exhaust sound like that. Woo. There you go. So I was kind of worried that it might the loudness of the exhaust might overpower the loudness of the whine, but no, it doesn't. Yeah, those pops and crackles are there now. That's what I was looking for. Little overrun pops. You get the whine on the front end, pop in the back. It's spectacular. So I'm gonna continue this when I get to the highway. I'm kind of stuck in traffic here right now. And by the way, the air intake temperature is not bad at all. Even if I'm sitting on a traffic light, it doesn't really go up. You know, it will go up maybe 3-4 degrees higher when I'm running, but it quickly goes down to a lower temperature when I start moving. So I'm gonna continue to record when I hit the highway. Give this thing a little bit of a good run. All right, let's go on the on-ramp. Sounded great. That sounded great. Highway speeds going 60 right now. No drone.